Hello and welcome. In this video, I will demonstrate how to integrate and manage Asana with BoldDesk. Additionally, you will see how to create Asana tasks and link them with BoldDesk tickets. To set up Asana with BoldDesk, first, go to the Admin module and navigate to the Marketplace. Search for Asana, select it, and click the Install button. This takes you to a login page where you should log into your Asana account. After logging in, the installation window opens, where I can choose my Asana workspace. Then, I map the Asana projects to BoldDesk and define sync actions, which indicate what happens when a ticket is updated and how Asana should respond. For instance, when a private note is added to a ticket, you can add an automated comment in that particular Asana task. Additionally, with the Add New Connection button, you can add multiple sync actions. In the Perform BoldDesk Actions section, you can automate adding a note in BoldDesk whenever a comment is added to the corresponding Asana task. With this integration, you can sync ticket status updates with Asana tasks, keeping everything aligned. Next, in the Permissions tab, select who can access and modify Asana tasks and click Save to complete the integration. Next, let me show you how to create and link tasks within BoldDesk. Start by opening a ticket and navigating to the Apps section by clicking on the Apps icon in the right side panel. Here, you can see the Asana app listed. Click that to view details about Asana tasks linked to this ticket. To link an existing ticket, select the Link Asana Task option, enter the task ID you want to connect to, and click Search. When you find your task, select it, and your Asana task is linked with the ticket. You can unlink the task by selecting the Unlink option. Finally, to create Asana tasks within BoldDesk, select the Create Asana Task option next to the Link option. This opens a pop-up where you should choose your Asana workspace. Then, you can fill in the required task details. The title and description will be fetched from the ticket details by default. You can change it and then click Create. This will create a task in your Asana dashboard, which will be automatically linked with the BoldDesk ticket. To view the task details, click on the task ID, and you will be redirected to the Asana dashboard. Now, for every comment added to the linked Asana task, a note will be added to the corresponding BoldDesk ticket. Likewise, changing statuses or doing any synced action within a BoldDesk ticket will be generated into a comment in the Asana task. To summarize, I showed you how to integrate the Asana app with BoldDesk and link and unlink tasks with BoldDesk tickets. Leave a like if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more feature updates. Thanks for watching.